What's going on? Michael Kittinger here with Fractal CRM. Let's talk about how Fractal CRM compares to many of the other tools and platforms out there that are available today. And I can tell you, speaking from experience, um, the I used to run my business through ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, Kajabi, JotForm, um, Calendly, and then I was using Zapier to just tie it all together and hope and prayed everything worked correctly. Part of the reason that we saw such a need for a platform like Fractal CRM is that it brought all these different tools in house together seamlessly to really make your life easier, to simplify, to save you money, as you'll see here in a second. So we put together this chart, and let me just zoom in so we can see it here. Let's just zoom in a little bit. Oh, all right. Let me close that. So there's a few things that you ideally use to really build your business, and some of those are going to be a website, a funnel, which is basically just a series of web pages that somebody goes through where they don't really have, like, your website has lots of links and things like that. A funnel typically is an opt-in page to a thank you page, maybe an application page or your calendar page. Email, an email platform, email responder, email autoresponder, or broadcast emails, but a way to send mass emails out that's not your G Suite account or Outlook account. Um, Ideally a way to book appointments, again, with the calendar and everything. So let's just kind of walk through this. And again, I've used all these. Um, and I can say from personal experience, yes, obviously I'm biased. um, but this is why Fractal CRM is so powerful. So email marketing, again, as you generate leads, as you build your list, you want to be able to communicate with them. Email is one of, if not the highest ROI, return on investments. Even though, yeah, there's things with emails and all that, it's still one of the best ways to communicate with your audience, to stay in front of them, to continue to provide value and nurture. So Active Campaign, MailChimp, and I didn't even put any of the bigger players like Infusionsoft, which is kind of another all-in-one platform, but they have a couple $1,000 setup fee. They're quite expensive, and you're very limited unless you just want to, ramp up costs in terms of the number of contacts you can have, and all that. So email marketing, a lot of the other places are $99 plus per month. That's included here. SMS marketing, funnels, so ClickFunnels, lead pages, etc. $297. Now I know ClickFunnels, like they do have a $97 plan. And don't get me wrong, like, I mean, I've built, man, probably close to 50 plus funnels on ClickFunnels. It is a very simple, straightforward funnel builder. Um, I, from that standpoint, I don't necessarily really have anything bad to say about ClickFunnels itself. They are very slow rolling out new features. Their support is quite abysmal. Um, but all they do is funnels. So for literally like the same price, you can get 10x more features. I just, I have a hard time like understanding people who still stay with ClickFunnels. Now, I love Russell Brunson. I love his marketing. I love his books. I mean, I've got tons of his books. Like, I mean, right here on my desk, like Expert Secrets, Russell Brunson, co-founder of ClickFunnels and stuff. So, I have nothing bad to say about Russell or, that. There's, again, they were kind of one of the first ones to come out with a funnel builder, and I appreciate it. They kind of paved the path. But they have, they're lagging behind greatly. So kind of same with lead pages, like, again, all it does is build funnels. And when you can do that and so much more for the same price and simplify your life and save hundreds of dollars when you add up all these other features and softwares and platforms, like, I just don't understand. WordPress, I've built a dozen sites on WordPress plus. WordPress is a great website builder, but with all the plugins and constant updates and all that, like, it's not the easiest. And if you want to run your business and not always have to be going in and messing with the website and updating plugins and all that, it's a little convoluted. Again, these other platforms, there's nothing wrong with them. I mean, they're expensive, or it can get expensive or time consuming. And that's just included with Fractal CRM. So call tracking, one thing I love about it, and like, the more we've been using this, the more I realize how big of a feature this is. But you can make calls directly through Fractal CRM. It automatically records the calls. It even tracks like how many people answered, how many missed calls were there, how many, all that good stuff. And again, the more data, the better when you're trying to run your business. Surveys and forms. Again, we use JotForm previously. There's Typeform. There's, I think, this Woo form. Um, Again, it's just an expense, and you can get rid of. It's all built in here. Calendly, Schedule One, Acuity, etc. They're just calendars, right? They just link your calendar to a very streamlined appointment setting calendar. And again, we've got that built now. And I'm excited. Like, I guess a couple months ago, we rolled out team calendars. So now, like, let's say you have salespeople. I was talking to someone yesterday, and basically she has, I mean, essentially a team, and she wants somebody to be able to go on and pick a time and then see which team member, who's available at that time. And we can do all that now, and it's all included in the in our platform. CRM management, Pipedrive, Pipedrive, $100 a month. Again, we've got a full drag and drop pipeline management CRM system, unlimited custom fields on the contacts. It even tracks like where that contact came from. You can message, you can text, you can email directly through the CRM system. Help library and support team. If you or one of your clients or anybody, like, we've got a whole help team here to support you. Tracking and analytics, courses and products. Now, Kajabi, I would still say is probably one of the best in the industry when it comes to courses and products and things like that. We have built-in memberships. They get better every day. We actually just introduced themes. It's currently in beta form right now. But for, I would say, 99% of people, our memberships, the way we set it up, where it's one login and you can have multiple products and courses and all that, is good enough. There's a search feature. You can upload videos directly, so you don't even have to host your videos on a separate platform or anything. Maybe for 1% of people, yeah, Kajabi has some advanced features and stuff. But again, for 99% of businesses, you can save those couple $100, have it all streamlined, have it all integrated. Well worth it. And then reputation management, you can connect Google My Business. We've got different services that you can add that can help you with your reputation and all that. So that's just kind of a quick how Fractal CRM compares. As always, if you want to check out the platform yourself, you can go to fractal-crm.com, come up here to demo the platform. And when you click on this link, actually, let's zoom out just a little bit. All right, so when you click on the link, you'll come to this page. Let me remove my contact information. Forget it saves it there on my computer. And you actually have two choices when you want to demo the platform. You can come in here and you can fill out this quick little form, and it will actually create you a login ID for our demo account. So you can go in there, you can play around with it, you can drag and drop, you can test it, you can do all sorts of different things. I think we have email turned off, so you can create the emails, but it won't actually send the emails, I believe. If not, I hope we turn that off so nobody's sending tons of emails and we're just, but you can go in and play with it and everything. If you want to do that kind of as a, yourself, go in there, test it out. It's a full, you get your own login to the demo account. Or if you'd like for one of our experts to actually walk you through the platform and kind of have a little more tailored to depending on what your needs are and show you different areas. You can also come over here and book a call. And so you can do that, and it'll just, again, ask you for name, email, and phone number, so we can follow up and confirm the appointment and everything, and just click request a demo call. And then it's via Zoom, and we'll walk you through the platform itself. So again, you can create your own account, test it out, or you can come in here and you can schedule a call and a demo, and it's via Zoom, and we'll share the screen and walk you through whatever it is, whatever is more pertinent to your business specifically. So, but yeah, it's a powerful platform. Highly recommend you at least check it out. And options starting at $97 a month, which will be increasing here in the near future. We don't have a set date for that, but it will be increasing $50. So go ahead and lock in your prices now. Again, starting at $97, and you can just go to fractal-crm.com. If you have any questions, you can always click down here in the little chat. Oh, I didn't even put this on the list of features. So this is something that's available, built in. So there's no external, platform or software cost or anything. But it's literally now when people come to your website, you can turn it on and off on any funnel, any website, any membership site, anything like that. And this way you can have direct two-way communication with them all through the platform. So probably should have added that to the list of features, but yeah, I didn't even put that on there. So anyways, look at that. What do you know? More features. And we roll out new features all the time. So yeah, man, the two-way chat, because again, just we try to make your life easy. All right, let us know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon.